Tanzania koronya kumiwa account no agole pesa dimo ndo delegate ongenya
Igono kuro okanda mi 58,000 na ngatu wali singe katia share
bro bede bang so that we can have the members that we want. We demand that the resolutions of NADCO, because we have noticed that there is hesitation on the part of UDA from making sure that NADCO is implemented and the legislation is passed. We are telling our political friends on the other side that they must implement NADCO within the timelines that was agreed in the committee. Otherwise, we'll go back to where we were. And you know where we were. We continue to support Raila Amolo Odinga as our party leader. And because no vacancy has been announced in the seat of the party leader, Raila Amolo Odinga continues to be the party leader of OKA.